Hello friends, welcome to the tutorial on making of a banana kick game in a scratch, and we are currently in the part 5 and this part might be the last part of this game. And in this part we are going to make the goal celebration animation for our project, and other parts have already been complete and little bit of sound effects left that I'll show you how to do it also. And let me show you what we have done so far in our project. By clicking the green flag, so our obstacles are moving and we have got our ball here, and if I press on the space bar and if I just kick the ball and if it hits the obstacle, it's game over, and we can just click on try again to reset the game. And let me shoot a goal this time. Oh, it's very hard. Oh, I can shoot now. Yeah, it's a goal. And today we are making a boy that kicks out the ball, and we'll make the ball goal celebration when it's a goal. So let's do that. For that, let's search a sprite. So I'd like this guy, Ben. Okay, our Ben is ready to kick the ball, and let me drag this guy down here. So this will be the initial position of the Ben. So let's go to the events and drag when I receive a message block, and we will go for the message restart. So that's when we click on the green flag, the message restart will be broadcasted. So we'll use this restart message to reset the position of the bin. Next, let's go to motions and drag go to XY block like this, so that if it's like this, yeah, bin is misplaced, and if you click on the green flag, bin is right back in its initial position. Next, let's also fix the initial costume of the bin. Let me go to costume and see. So this will be the default costume or the initial costume for the bin A costumes. Let's get back to code, go to looks, and drag a switch costume block below the go to XY block, and we are going to switch to bin A. So this will be our initial costume and the initial position of the bin. And after that, we need to hit the ball. Yeah, so to hit the ball, let me show you in the sprite one. So after we have drawn our path, then we'll broadcast a message called follow path. So that's when we need to hit the ball. Yeah, so let's go to bin back and let's go to events and drag when I receive a message block, and inside here we are going to receive a message called follow path. Yeah, this message will be broadcasted once we have ended the making of the path, and it's time for the ball to follow that path. So when we receive the follow path, what we do is we change the costume of the bin so it looks like it is kicking out the ball. For that, let's go to costumes. So this looks good for kicking out. Yeah, bin B costume. Let's get back to code and let's go to looks and drag a switch costume block below the when I receive a follow path message, and we are going to switch the costume to bin B. So this will switch the costume and it looks like he have kicked the ball. And then after that, we need to check if it's a goal or not. If it's a goal, we need to start celebrating. So first of all, let's see what we have done so far. If I click on the green flag and I click the ball, oh, the mouse pointer, oh sorry, let me do again. So it kicks the ball, yeah, and it's a game over because it touches the defender. We do like this and it's a goal. So after goal we need to celebrate. So let's add a sound effect for hitting the ball as well. So let's go to the sounds and let's search sound. Go for choose the sound, and ball hitting might be in the sports category. So this looks good, basketball. Yeah, so this will be the sound effect for hitting the ball. So let's get back to code and we'll hit the ball when we receive the follow path. Yeah, so let's go to the sounds and drag a start sound block for sound effects, okay? And just attach it below the when I receive follow path message. And let's see, if I click on the green flag and I hit the ball now, and the sound effect has played. That's great. And next, let's make the celebration animation once it's a goal, yeah? So to find out if it's a goal or not, let's go to the net and which message will be broadcasted for goal. So it's a goal message, yeah, broadcast goal. So let's get back to Ben and let's go to events, drag a when I receive a message block, and we are going to receive a message called call. So when we receive this call message, we are going to celebrate. Okay, so we will do a CR7 celebration animation. For that, let's go to the looks and let me show you the costumes for this. This will be the costume for jumping, and once the CR7 lands in its ground, it will be in this position. Okay, bend C and bend D. So let's go to the code and drag a switch costume block. So once it's a goal, we will switch the costume to bend C and then we will jump. Okay, for jumping, let's go to motion, drag a glide block. First of all, let me just drag our pen right here in this place. So this will look like jumping. So drag a glide block, and we are going to do this in between 0.5 seconds. So we will glide up for 0.5 seconds. After that, let me drag this guy down again, this place, and drag this another glide block like this, and it will take 0.5 seconds also, so that he will just go up and down. And once he comes down, we need to change the costume to this one. Let's go to costume. So it's the costume name is Bendy. Go it back to code, go to looks, drag a switch costume block, and it's a Bendy costume, and that's it. Let's see, click on the green flag. Let's try to hit the goal. I can hit the goal now. Wow, great. And if there is a sound effect, it would be very much better. So let's add a sound effect, Suii celebration, a sound effect of CR7. For that, let's go to sounds, and we actually don't have Suii celebration animation in our Scratch app, so we need to upload it ourselves. If you want this sound effect, you can comment and I will provide you the link. So let me just upload it right now. I do have here Suii animation, means celebration. This one. So let's go to code and let's go to sounds and drag a start sound block. Make sure it is the Suii celebrate Suii sound, and I will just place it here. Yeah, once it's a goal, it will start celebrating. And let's see, the green flag. Let me hit a goal. Oh my god, it's a catch. Let me hit one more time. I think I can do it now. Great. And with the Suii celebration, let's also have a cheers also, yeah, goal cheers. For that, let's go to sounds and search for a sound, and we are going to go to sports. And for goal, this sound is good. Add it here. Get back to code and go to sounds and drag a start sound block just below the first glide block. Yeah, so first of all, CR7 will do the Suii celebration, and after he goes up in the air, then another goal celebration sound will also start. So let's see, click on the green flag. Let me hit a goal, please. Oh my god, no goal this time. Oh, it doesn't go anywhere. Okay, I think I can hit a goal now. That's more like a celebration, guys. And that's how we make the celebration animation, and the sound effects are good also, and you can add other sound effects for the game over and whatever you like. And that's the tutorial for you guys. I hope you like this tutorial banana kick game. And thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel, and I'll see you next time with a new tutorial, guys. Thank you.